Let's stick with tech. The NDX, it's the NASDAQ, on pace for its best year since 1999, thanks to a recent rally in big tech and investor enthusiasm surrounding AI. And according to CNBC's latest Delivering Alpha survey, hope you were listening to it, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and AMD are the key names to watch here if you're looking to invest in AI. Our next guest has been a long-term tech investor and points to a different large cap pick to bet on here, and that's Taiwan Semiconductor, citing strength in the AI revolution. Doug Clinton is Deepwater Asset Management managing partner. He joins us now. Doug, Happy New Year. I like your piece today. I'll tell you why I like it, because you get right to the point here. Here's what you say. I'm quoting Doug here. Our view is that all roads to AI compute lead to Taiwan Semiconductor. NVIDIA, AMD, Amazon, and others use Taiwan Semi to fab AI chips. No matter what chips power the AI revolution, Taiwan Semi will make them. Doesn't get any clearer than that. Tell us a little bit more about why Taiwan Semi has become so dominant here and why you think that domination is going to continue.
And Happy New Year to you as well, Bob. I think as we go into that new year, 2024, we've been trying to look outside of the Mag 7. Companies that do have real exposure to AI, that all the Mag 7 do, but haven't had that same run. And TSM is the best name for that in our view. If you think about NVIDIA and AMD, I think everybody sees those as player number one and player number two in terms of who will likely win this AI chip race. But both of those companies rely on Taiwan Semi to actually fab their chips. And so it stands to reason, to us at least, if AMD and NVIDIA are ultimately going to benefit from this $400 billion AI compute market by 2027, then Taiwan Semi should have that same tailwind, and we just haven't seen it in the stock yet.
A number of companies you mentioned here in your note, Eventbrite, this kind of surprised me. I know Eventbrite, they do event management services, but it's a pretty small cap name that you like. I know it shows up in my inbox all the time because I get events invitations from them, but why them? What interests you about them right now?
We look across small to large cap. We're trying to find, in our view, what are kind of the best companies that make products that customers love and that they can't really get anywhere else. And as you mentioned, you see Eventbrite in your inbox all the time. There's really no other player in town in this game for Eventbrite. They sort of have the whole game to themselves. What excites us about them is they are using the classic marketplace playbook. We saw Amazon and Etsy adding advertising services to their marketplaces. They've been incredible and great high margin growth businesses for both of those companies. Eventbrite has just started doing the same thing. It's still a really small part of revenue today, but we think that those ad services that Eventbrite is layering onto its existing event management software platform will be something that can help them continue to kind of grow strong double digits and then translate a lot of that to the bottom line, because it will be very high margin revenue.
Just on Taiwan Semi, again, do you have to consider geopolitical risk investing here? And where do you think the chip wars go in 2024? In 2023, it's been relatively calm, and it's been a boon for the sector as we've seen countries rushing to subsidize these sectors and build out their own semiconductor plants and factories. Where does that go?
There, I do think you have to consider that geopolitical risk, but the way we think about it is that geopolitical risk, by extension, sort of hits NVIDIA and AMD as well. They're not getting that discount for geopolitical risk that TSM is, even though if there were an issue that hurt TSM, it would certainly hurt NVIDIA and AMD also. It's hard to make a call on what will ultimately happen with Taiwan, but we think that the discount that you're getting in TSM right now, that I think does reflect that geopolitical risk, does account for anything that could happen. And if there were an event, we think the stock would recover after that. Beyond just Taiwan, the company being based in Taiwan, they do have a fab in Washington State in the United States. They're building a fab in the Phoenix area in Arizona. And so they are distributing globally. And I would expect TSM to build even more fabs in other countries as well to diversify around that risk.